Allow me take this opportunity to welcome you back to this other session of ours. Now today we are going to look at flowering plants. When we talk about flowering plants, these are plants which bear flowers. We say that flowering plants are those plants which bear flowers. Now these plants have two types of systems. The first system is called the root system, and the second one is called the shoot system. Now these systems are made up of two categories of organs, and these organs are: one, we have what we call the reproductive organ; then two, we have what we are calling the vegetative organ. Now when we talk about the reproductive organs, what are these reproductive organs of the plant? Now the reproductive organs of the plant are called the flowers. Now the main importance or the main purpose of these flowers is to produce or seeds. These reproductive organs are also directly involved in the process of reproduction or fertilization in a plant. Secondly, let's talk about the vegetative organs. Now the vegetative organs are those organs which are not directly involved in the reproduction. And the examples of these vegetative organs, we have the roots, we have the stems, we have the leaves. Now when we talk about the roots, the main importance of the roots is carrying out the process of absorption of water and mineral salts. Then we have what we call the stems. So these stems carries out a process. The stems contain the phloem and the xylem, which help in transportation or carrying mineral salts and water from the lower parts of the plant to the upper part of the plant. Then we have also about, we can talk also about the leaves. So the leaves, this carries out the process of photosynthesis, respiration, and the gaseous exchange. As I told you that flowering plants are those plants which bear flowers. So these plants are also divided into two main groups, which you know clearly. One is the monocotyledonous plants, then two is the dicotyledonous plants. So when we talk about monocotyledonous plants are those plants which contain one seed cotyledon or side leaf. For example, the maize plant, we can talk about the rice plant, we can talk about the millet, and many others. Those are monocotyledonous plants. In other words, they have got one seed cotyledon. Then when we go to dicotyledonous plants, I will say these are plants which contains two seed cotyledons. So dicotyledonous contains two, then mono contains one cotyledon, di contains two cotyledons. Examples of dicotyledons, we have the bean plants, we have the soya beans, we have the cowpeas, and many others. I therefore sign out. I wish you the best. Please subscribe and follow for more. I wish you the best.